Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to wave hands in Zoom meetings. So first you need to open your Zoom website or your Zoom desktop application to join the meeting. So first you will be needing an invitation from meeting or from someone that has already hosted a meeting in Zoom. After that you will have to join uh, after going to the Zoom website, you will click on join a meeting, and here either you will add like the ID of the meeting or the personal link name of the guy or the host. You can join the meeting, or you can just uh, paste the link of the meeting if he has just given you a link. So after you go to the link, here you will just click cancel in my lunch meeting, and here I will join just from my browser. So now I'll be joining this meeting so I can show you how to wave the hands. So basically I will need a permission uh, to get in, and here I will just go to participation. I will admit that the guy will enter. So now you will be able to have a chat with people, etc. So now we need to have a reaction. Reactions mean like emojis, or you will have like if you did like that, it will be showing here in the room that you are doing this reaction. So basically, to wave hands, you will need just to search for this reaction. So now I'm going to click on reaction, and as you can see, here is the raise hand. So now you will be raising the hands like this, so you can talk or take permission of Tolkien, or you can just search for other reactions here, like this one for the clapping, or any reaction that you want. So basically, this is how you use the raise hand action of Zoom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.